Chris Carman from Work Initiatives. We're very proud to have signed an MOU with the Karnataka government and have really enjoyed going around the facilities here, and we very much look forward to working with the government and its partners to help Australia meet its skill shortages within automotive, electrical, trades and advanced manufacturing. Thank you.
Hi, Murray Love from West in Australia. We're very pleased to be here, to have done the tour of the facility. Looks like the future is looking safe. We're in electrical safety, and we're hopefully will eventually be incorporated in here, and there can be education and training, including our product as well. Thank you. Very impressive.